All right. Yes, ma'am. Before I get started, again, thank you so much for allowing me to share this story with everyone this evening. I do believe that this is going to be something that will help all of us to realize how valuable this Assure for Life plan really is. But I just happen to be doing life insurance, and I've been doing that, like you said, for over 10 years. And when she shared the Assure for Life plan for me, and I got on one of the webinars and found a little bit more about the company, I immediately knew that I needed to be involved. Why? Because as an insurance consultant, I have clients all the time who want to get insurance, maybe on, let's say, adult parents want to get insurance on their grown children, and their children won't sit down to do the insurance policy. Or maybe I've had people who wanted to get insurance on someone that maybe they don't qualify based on their background. And this plan is a way for them to be able to cover their families, their children, without having social security numbers, without having to even get their permission to do that. And I said, oh my gosh, I knew I had to be a part of this company.
Were you reluctant at all to join us? And if so, what helped you change your mind?
No, ma'am, Miss Wilhelmina, I was not reluctant at all. I've been doing insurance for a long time, and immediately I saw the value of this plan. Absolutely.
Absolutely.
So no doubt. Mm-hmm.
That is awesome, Latasha. Now, speaking about the insurance business, tell us, how do you plan on using Assure for Life to help you in your insurance business?
Yes, ma'am. Well, I have many, many clients, and again, I've sat with many of them who wanted to get insurance on people who would not sit down to do the policy. And anybody, if you don't know about life insurance, you have to sit down. That person has to give you permission to do a policy on them. They have to be willing to answer those health questions. They have to be willing to sign the application and all of those things. And many people, they have this morbid thought of insurance and they don't want to do it. Well, Assure for Life eliminates that, because you don't have to have their social. You don't even have to have their permission, as long as you have their name and their birth date and where they were born or where they live. That's all you need.
Absolutely. Now, going directly to you, what is the real significance of Assure for Life for you?
Yes, ma'am. Now, obviously, as an insurance consultant, I have life insurance, many policies on myself, my children, my family's covered. And I even have a pre-need plan. So when that was one of the things I was like, I really don't need this, but I knew that I had to have it in order for me to be able to offer it to other people. It only makes sense if I have it, then I can say, hey, I have it. But I have siblings who do not have life insurance. I have family members who do not have life insurance. And I told my mom, I got with her and I told her, I said, we've got to do this plan. And so I do have some of my siblings in with this plan. And I'll mention this, Miss Wilhelmina, as we know, you do not have to all be related. So I called up one of my dear friends. She and I are like sisters. She is in the plan with me, along with her mom and her dad as well. So there you go.